We have tools, talent, and techniques to get you more prominent in your market. Operation Market Domination. OMG National is proud to sponsor and partner with the American Towman Spirit Ride. Our tow marketing division is pleased to be providing media strategy and logistics support. Call, click omgtowmarketing.com.
Recovery Roundup, brought to you by OMG Tow Marketing.
Hi, I'm Emily Oz for Tow Industry Week. It's another edition of Recovery Roundup, where we feature towing's power players, take on heavy-duty jobs with expertise.
Today we have some excellent drone footage of a job in South Florida, and we'll hear from owner of A Superior Towing, Sean Lascalzo. The team worked the scene with their two Century rotators, a 60-ton and a 50-ton, both on Kenworths. Emerald Towing also worked on this risk job, Rapid Incident Scene Clearance. The Highway Patrol called the companies to clear a multi-tractor trailer rollover involving 3 trucks. Crews on scene had to put on their kid gloves because a fuel tanker had leaked 2,000 gallons. Fire officials were foaming the ground every 20 minutes to prevent a fire.
We basically waited in the back because the fire department really wanted to secure the scene. They really tried to minimize any type of fire. They didn't have enough water out there, so we had to wait for fire trucks to come from the airport. Just probably about a 20-mile ride. They brought these giant tankers out there, water tankers with cannons, just in case something did happen. We sat probably 5 hours, 6 hours before they even started to do the offloading. And then once they got the offloading done, it was probably around 3 o'clock that we were able to get to work. At this point, the tractor and trailer, the tanker is empty. It's not a difficult recovery. We couldn't put anything underneath the truck. So we ended up doing some rigging to try to pigeon tow and bring the truck over, and it was just sliding in the muck. So then we ended up opening up one of the hatches on the trailer. We put a giant piece of wood in there inside the tank with a endless loop and chokered it, and we were able to rig it that way without trying to get any equipment underneath the truck. And we rolled it over, winched it out of the median, hooked it up, and pulled it out of there. That was a fairly easy job because, by the time it was empty. The tougher job was the tractor and trailer that was in pieces. So once we were able to, the fire department gave us the okay to begin work. Of course, we pulled the drive shaft, backed off the brakes on the tanker, uprighted it, pulled it out, and had it ready for tow.
Along with their heavy-duty rotators, the crews at A Superior Towing also brought 2 Bobcats, 2 flatbeds, and 2 containers to do the job. Lascalzo says it's one of the largest recoveries the company has ever done.
Very complex. We divided all the responsibilities up between the team that we had, and we had the Synetics communications that allowed us, there's a very large scene that allowed us to communicate. It made our job so much easier and so much more professional. We were speaking directly with the fire department along with our team. So there wasn't anything that we were doing that no one was uncomfortable with. They were listening to everything we were doing. Our team worked exceptionally well. It's really great when you have guys that you've trained for years. I've got guys that have been with me, 8, 9, 10 years. It was really, really awesome to see all their training pay off without hesitation. Everybody was doing what they were supposed to be doing. It was really a good feeling.
If you'd like to submit your recovery to be featured on the Roundup, please visit the website recoveryroundup.com.